Hey guys, it's me, Sandra.
Welcome to my vlog!
Hindi naman Hey guys, it's me, Sandra. Today is July 14, currently 9:46 a.m. Our agenda is go to school to run some errands for my OJT, for my internship requirements, and have orientation done. And after that, I'll go to the mall with my sister. I'll see you guys later when I'm already at school. Yes, we're done. We're going home and then it's back. Hey guys, we're at Chili's right now for our lunch. Waiting pa kami sa order namin. Late lunch. Mag-appetizer muna tayo. We have barbecue chicken. Ano tawag dito? Tostada chips. And then the soup. This was supposed to be lemonade. Pero icy naman. But okay na yan. And then we have quesadillas. Magkano to? Walang price. Hey guys, we're at department store and looking for gifts. Gummy bears. Hindi naman gift. Huh? Mas mahal pa to kaysa dito. Bakit? Sneakies. We're done shopping. Now it's time to go home. Waiting for ano na lang kami. Mag-book pa. And then home na.